You have boyfriend, girl.
Yes, queen.
I am back. Am I in the same shirt? I don't think so. I have different kinds. I don't know. Sorry. Anyways, I am clocking out for the day. It is Friday. I am having company over. I have to go walk these dogs. I have to shower. I have to clean. I have to get my life together. Aiden is in Colorado. Mama about to wild out. Mama is about to wild out. Let me go walk my dogs. I'll be back and let's get this like life together because I have company coming over in like an hour. Let me stop fucking around. I'll see y'all in a bit. Real quick, I know the neighbors like wonder like what the fuck does she do all day? She don't leave her house. She looks like a fucking bum, but maybe 1 to 2 business days out of the week, she looks kind of like a baddie. Like, what does she do? Let's get Sasha's leash on. Because you're such a pretty baby. We're gonna be good, right? We're not gonna try to eat other dogs because we are, what? Not crazy. We're a family dog. Secured. Okay, we are back inside. And I probably should clean first. No, maybe I should clean first and then shower. That just makes more sense. It don't matter. Whatever. Show them. She did them all by herself.
And then look at mine. Peaceful.
These are taking 3 to 5 business days. You have boyfriend, girl.
Yes, queen. Listen to the ASMR. Slay girl. Are you a computer? Because you're my type.
Oh! So I'm asking her for a payment for her nails, and look what she handed me. Payment, girl.
This is me. I'm gonna do something really quick. This is my ID.
Don't release your information.
This is her credit card.
You could just scan it on Apple Pay.
Okay.
Did it work?
Boop. Complete. Please come again.
Of course. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be showing some of our. So we're gonna be showing you some things that will click with our nails. Sorry about the music in the background. We like that a lot. So let's turn it down. Bye, y'all.
Peaceful. So see you in my next video.
See you in my next video.
Bye.